here is the MySQL. Click here and click here, and we require this. So this is my MySQL. Username is already set by MySQL. We have to just say pass. Okay, pass means it is a pass. Okay. Now in this particular CUI, you are going to write the queries. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to see different databases. So what can query is show databases. Okay, कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, कोई स्टूडेंट क्या करता है, सिलेक्ट डेटाबेस बोलते हैं, राइट? सो ऐसे नहीं बोलना है. जो क्वेरीज आपको दिया है, जो फॉर्मेट आपको दिया है, वो फॉर्मेट से ही आपको डेटाबेस को साथ कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा. सो से शो डेटाबेसेस, वी विल एबल टू सी डेटाबेसेस हियर, राइट? सो वी हैव so is a collection of logically related database is a collection of logically related data. Okay, we can store, retrieve, right, delete, update the data in database or from database. Okay, so it is not just data, it is a collection of logically related data and information which is stored in specific tabular format, you can say.